Hi students, welcome in Jizamata Academy. Today we are going to learn construction and working of electric bell. Electric bell, it is a mechanical or electronic bell that functions by means of an electromagnet. Electric bell, it is a mechanical or electronic bell that functions by means of an electromagnet. So principle or electromagnet, it is based on principle of electromagnetism. In electric bell, electromagnet it is used. What are uses of electric bell? So electric bells have been widely used at railroad crossings, in telephones, fire and burglar alarms, as school bells, doorbells and alarms in industrial plants. So electric bell, it is it is used in our day-to-day life. So before going to electric bell, we should know what is electromagnet. इलेक्ट्रिक बेल कडे जाण्या अगोदर आपल्याला इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेट काय हे माहिती असणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. So electromagnet that is when a copper wire is wound on an iron rod or electric current is passed through it, the iron rod acts as a magnet. So here in the figure you can see here an iron nail is used and copper wire it is wound around this iron nail. When electric current it is passed through this copper wire, this iron nail it acts as an electromagnet. That is temporary magnetism is created, and due to this magnetism, these iron pins these are getting attracted towards this iron nail. As soon as the current is turned off, these pins these are being dropped. So this phenomenon of electromagnetism or this phenomenon of producing magnetic field, it is called as electromagnetism, and such a magnet is called as electromagnet. So this electromagnet loses its magnetism as soon as electric current is turned off. This electromagnetism or this magnetism it is temporary. Whenever there is electric current, at that time only it will act as a magnet. Therefore it is called as electromagnet. Whenever electric current is there, it will act as a magnet, and whenever electric current is turned off, it will lose its all magnetism. So त्याची पूर्ण magnetism गमावून टाकणार आहे. Such a device is called as an electromagnet. An electric bell it is based on this principle. So electromagnet it is used in electric bell. Let's see what are the components of electric bell. Electric bell consists of four different components. Four important components as an electromagnet that we have just now learned. Electromagnet here iron rod it is used, and on this iron rod copper wire it is wound. Next is metallic bell. Why metallic bell? Metals, we all know that metals have sonority. They make ringing sound whenever they are heated. So electric bell, in electric bell the bell is used, it is made up of metals. Next component is soft iron strip. It is very soft and delicate so that it can move forward and backward very easily. So soft iron strip, it is having a hammer or striker at its end, and this striker it strike on this bell. Whenever this iron strip it moves towards this electromagnet. And last component is contact screw. Contact screw you can see here, it is a contact between this battery and soft iron strip which connects the circuit, which makes the circuit complete. So contact screw, whenever this contact screw is in contact with this soft iron strip, electric current starts to flow in the circuit, and electromagnetism, electromagnet it produces magnetic field around it, and electric bell starts to ring. So next is plug key and battery, which are components of electric bell that are common in a circuit. So plug key to switch on and off electric current, and battery to provide potential difference. Let's see the construction of electric bell. So electric bell it consists of a copper wire which is wound around an iron piece. So electric bell it consists of a copper wire which is wound around iron piece. This coil acts as an electromagnet. So this coil it will act as an electromagnet. Whenever electric current will pass through this copper wire, this iron piece it will act as an electromagnet. So iron strip along with the striker is fitted near to the electromagnet. So this ion strip along with the striker, it is fitted close to this electromagnet. A contact screw is in touch with the strip. There is a contact screw which is in touch with this strip, with this ion strip. The electric circuit is connected as shown in figure. An electric circuit, this contact screw, it is connected by a conducting wire to battery and a plug key, it is fixed here. So as soon as we press the plug key, currents will start to flow in the circuit. So let's see the working of electric bell. How does it work? So in figure you can see how electric bell works. So first the current flows in the circuit when screw is in contact with the strip. Current flows in the circuit when screw, you can see in the figure, this contact screw, when this contact screw is in contact with this strip, this iron strip, current will flow in this circuit. And hence the coil, when current will reach into this coil, which is wound around an iron piece, this coil, it will produce magnetic field around it, and this iron piece, it will act as an electromagnet. So because of this magnetic field, it will attract the iron strip towards it. Because of this magnetic field produced by electromagnet, this iron strip, it is being attracted towards this electromagnet. Therefore the striker, as soon as this strip, it moves towards the electromagnet, the striker which is fixed at one end of this iron strip, it will hit on this metallic gong, on this metallic bell, and sound is created. So what happens here? As soon as current flows in the circuit, when current will flow in the circuit? When this contact screw is in contact with this iron strip. So when this contact screw is in contact with this iron strip, current will flow through this circuit, and this electromagnet, it will start to produce magnetic field. So due to this effect of magnetism, this iron strip, it is being attracted towards this electromagnet, and as it moves forward towards the electromagnet, along with this iron strip, this striker, it will also move and it will hit on this metallic gong, and sound is created. However, at the same time, the contact screw loses the contact with the strip and the current in the circuit stops. So when this iron strip, it moves towards this electromagnet, it loses contact with this contact screw. When this iron strip, it is getting attracted towards this electromagnet, it is moving towards electromagnet, and as soon as it moves, as soon as it displaces, it changes its position, therefore the contact between this contact screw and iron strip, it loses, and current flowing through the circuit, it will stop. And in this position, the electromagnet loses its magnetism. So you have already seen electromagnet, it is producing its magnetism only whenever electric current is flowing in the circuit. As soon as the contact between iron strip and contact screw loses, electric current flowing through this circuit also stops, and therefore this electromagnet, it will also lose its magnetism. As soon as this electromagnet loses its magnetism, it loses magnetic field, and because of this, the iron strip which is attracted towards this electromagnet, it will come back to its original position, and it will come again in the contact with this contact screw. You can see clearly in this figure, that is, when current is flowing through the circuit, electromagnet, it is producing magnetism, and because of this magnetism, iron strip, it is getting attracted towards it, and ring is being heard, and contact between contact screw and iron strip, it is being lost. As soon as contact is lost, electric current stops to flow through this circuit, and electromagnet loses its magnetism. As it loses its magnetism, iron strip gets back to its original position, and again it comes with the contact, in the contact with the contact screw. So the electric current is then immediately restored, and again the striker hits the gong by above process. So as soon as the iron strip comes in contact with the contact screw, electric current again starts to flow through this circuit, and immediately electric current is restored, and again this electromagnet, it is acting it is producing its magnetism, and this ion strip it is getting attracted towards it, and again it will hit the metallic bell and sound will be heard, and again this contact it will be lost and electric current will be lost to the circuit, electromagnetism will be lost, again ion strip goes to its original position and contact is restored. So this action repeats itself and the bell rings, and this action it repeats itself as the plug key is pressed, as the circuit is on, this action it will repeat and bell will continue to ring. The electric bell will continue to ring unless we turn off the plug key. So this is all about working of electric bell. How does it work? I think I have cleared all the points about electric bell and how does it work. If you like our videos, please subscribe, press like and share our videos. Thank you very much.